You are welcome in online class. In online class today we have the topic and the topic is related to chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter number 10 is the soil. So in the soil, chapter number soil, there are many topics related to the soil texture, soil color, and the formation of the soil, weathering of soil, chemical weathering, and physical weathering. But today we have the some topic related to that one soil, that is the plasticity. 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 So plasticity is the property property of that enables moist soil moist soil to change its shape on application application of force. When force is applied, then what happens? And then it retains this shape even when when the force is force is withdrawn. It means that plasticity is the ability of the soil. As for example, I am telling you, let these are the soil particle, and when the water H2O is added to it, and after addition of the water, what happens? The soil has sticky nature. This means that when the soil absorbs the water, yeah, water is mixed to the soil. After that, what happens? Soil start sticking to our hands, and hence, as well as when the water is applied to the soil particle, and when these are made the some earth, yeah, soil, yeah, mud ball. When force is applied over the mud ball, the its shape something would be changed. As for example, when apply the force from the upward, that the mud sink downward. Why? Because the force is applied here. And when I removed my hands from here, from this mud soil, it will retain its shape. Means that if it is the sunken place here, it will remain in sunken. So this property is very useful for the different application, like the potter, they makes the pot and idols pot, yeah, pitcher is made pitcher is made pitcher is made. So this application is this property of the soil of plasticity is very useful for making the different idols, pot, pitcher, and different kind of the things of mud, like the brick, the pottery pots, and the idols and the pitcher, etc. Another property is the cohesion. It is the to the similar to the plasticity, equal to the plasticity. So the similar properties of the, yeah, that the plasticity also, the tendency when the force is applied to the soil, it retain the same shape when even the force is withdrawn. The same thing is also known as the cohesion property. Plastic soil. Now we can say that the soil which are plastic, they are also cohesive, cohesive in nature. The another thing is the soil density. The how can we determine the density of the soil? Let we dug the some soil and of the particular volume lbnh. Let it the volume is the some specific volume of that one, and the some earth we have dug with the, if we dig with the trowel, then what will happen? Then the soil from this digging part will be taken out, and after that another the same volume of the soil will be obtained by digging with the trowel से digging करेंगे, and we take the soil from the other place, but the volume should be equal. Volume is equal of the both dug soil, and we take this dug soil and measure weigh, weigh weigh means that we compare with the some any weight. Then what will happen? If the sample taken from A is more in weight than B, so it determines that the soil of place of A has more density, while B has less density. Another thing is that infiltration rate. Infiltration infiltration, infiltration, and percolation rate. These are the two things. As for example, if this is the soil area या soil particle, if the some water, as for example some water from the some mug or the jug are poured into the soil, as for example, when what happen, the water molecules water that starts entering to the soil, and what time is taken to enter the water into the soil is called infiltration rate. But when the water enters to the soil, after that entering to the soil, the water start moving in the soil. It has also the some rate. As for example, if the 1 liter of water that moves in the soil in 5 minutes, then we can say the percolation rate of water will be the 1/5. 1/5 means that 1 liter will be in 5 minutes the water will be moved from one place to another place. Percolation rate, so it will be the 0.25 liter 0.2020, yeah, that is the ml per minute. So this is the percolation rate. After that, composition of the soil composition. Now we have to talk about the composition of the soil. The first is that it has the inorganic matter, and it has the second number organic matter. And after that, third one it has the soil has also water into it. It is called the soil water. And after that, soil has also air into it. It has also air. So soil air. And after that, fifth number, living organism. The soil has the different composition. It has the inorganic matter, it has the organic matter, and the soil has the water, and the soil has the air, and the soil have the living organism into it. There may be the different kind of the living organism. The near about 5,000 to 7,000 different organisms are in the 1 gram of the soil. 1 gram of the soil. So microorganism is the organic part. So in the composition of the soil, that 5,000 to the 7,000 microorganisms are present in the 1 gram of the soil. So it determines that the soil has organic matter, it has also the minerals into it. So these are called the inorganic matter. So now earthworm is also present into the soil. Earthworm, they eat the earth, soil, and after that they excrete out the soil in the form of castle. This is called the soil castle, casting. Round, these are the sound castle you may have seen in the soil where earthworm are present. So living organisms are also present into the soil, and between the soil particle, these are the soil particle, it has the H2O, it has the oxygen into it, that is useful for the dissolving the minerals, for the nutrients dissolve, and these nutrients are sent to the xylem sent to the leaf, and oxygen is responsible for the respiration in the root. So dear students, these are the topics, and after that we have the topics that soil as a resource, because there are different construction, different minings, these are present onto the soil, and there are different minerals into it. So we can say that soil as a resource which facilitate our life. So the soil is a good resource. So but nowadays the soil are being polluted by the different fertilizers, different the smokes, different fertilizers, and the different factories, the exhausts. So these are mixing into the soil. Ultimately it is creating the soil pollution. Okay, and the soil are the most important for the crops as well as, and according to the different soil, different crops are also shown. And after that there are the soil erosion. How soil are eroding from the one place to another place due to the various agents like the air, water, and the different the animals too. So these are called by the overgrazing of the animal. animals. Animals. So soil are now becoming eroded due to the overuse and the over exploitation of the soil as a resource. That's why soil is eroding. That's why we should prevent the soil erosion. Prevent soil erosion with our wisdom. Otherwise, in the near future, the soil will be fully with our wisdom. If it is not controlled, then the soil will be barren and there will be no any good soil for crop production, and the no human life as well as the different organism cannot survive on this land. So these were the topic, dear students, related to the soil. Thank you for watching and listening this video. Okay, thank you very much.